Hi, in this video I will be reviewing the CUCKOO 6-cup twin pressure rice cooker. It has twin pressure cooking, so you can choose pressure or non-pressure depending on the texture you want. Turn it to the right for non-pressure and the options will reveal itself. Switch to the left for high pressure where you can make sticky rice, stews, braised pork, and much more. Here I have 4 cups of short grain rice, and you want to fill your water up to the number 4 line under white rice. Always dry off the pot. And a feature I love the most about this rice cooker is that it cooks rice in 15 minutes using super turbo on high pressure mode.
Super turbo, white rice. CUCKOO starts cooking.
About 5 minutes before it's finished, it releases pressure and the screen counts down until it's done.
Super turbo, white rice has been completed.
After 26 hours, your rice will still taste fresh. No browning or hard rice here. The pot comes with handles so you don't burn your fingers when taking it out or moving it. Cleaning is also really easy. It has a self-cleaning function and the removable parts are simple to wash. The inner pot is non-stick, so I usually let any leftover rice residue dry and then rinse it off easily with cold water. I've had this rice cooker for a little over a year now, and I love the convenience of how fast it cooks rice, plus all the other types of food you can make with it.